Today we've got an issue with the turn signal on a 2014 Honda CR-V. Just to show you, when we put the right turn signal on, the flashing is at normal speed and seems to work fine. When we put the left turn signal on, as you can see, it flashes rapidly. So with the right turn signal on, you can see the flasher is working normally. Same thing at the front here. The turn signal bulb on the passenger side seems to be working fine. Now on the driver's side, you can see the bulb is working fine with the left turn signal on, and it's just flashing much more rapidly than the other side. Here's the front driver's side, same thing. You can see the bulb in there is flashing properly. It's just much more rapid than on the passenger side. Curiously though, if we put the hazards on, both flashers flash at the same speed. And so with the hazards on, here's the left rear, the flashing speed is about normal. And here we are at the driver's side front, and the flashing speed is also normal with the hazards on. All right, so the bulbs seem to be working, but something still isn't right. So let's start with the easy stuff. We'll check the connection at the bulb. So this is the driver's side front left headlight assembly, and the turn signal bulb is right behind this area, and you'll see that clearly next to your battery. So we'll work out this connection and take a look at the bulb itself. So I'm just going to reach in and I'm going to push down on the tab. So just reach down in here, push on this tab to remove the bulb, and you'll see right there. And then wiggle this out. That's your connection. All right, now let's remove this bulb socket. All right, to get this socket out here, you're going to turn it to the left, which is counterclockwise, just like that. And then you can lift this back out. We'll take a look at the bulb and the connector. All right, so here's the bulb. A little bit dusty. The filaments look okay. See? And there's no black spots. Let's just clean this up and see. So to remove the bulb, we're just going to push it in a little bit. You see it's spring-loaded. Twist it to the left, and then take it out. We'll take a look in here. Connections are a little bit dirty. Copper could use some cleaning. I can see the contact points there when I tip it. I'm just going to take a Dremel brush, and I'm just going to brush these contacts off. And then here for the side, I'm just going to take this screwdriver and pull the ground out a little bit further. See if it makes better contact with the bulb. All right, so we'll take a Dremel here with a wire brush and clean those off. Okay, so you can see there, they're cleaned off, scraped a bit. Try this now. Okay, let's pop the bulb back in to the socket. Look for the tabs and line them up. Push it in. Give it a turn. Like that. Make sure that it stays in. Don't use your fingers. You don't want any oils on the bulb itself. Always wear a glove or hold it with a paper towel. Now we'll put this back into the slot where it belongs. So we'll just reach down in here like so. Slide this in. Feel for the tabs until it gets all the way seated, and then turn it clockwise. It's about a quarter turn. And these fins will be roughly horizontal, parallel to the floor. And then now we'll plug in the connector again here, line that up, push that in until it clicks, like so. and we'll test it out. Okay, so back in the car, again, the right turn signal flashes normal speed. And now the left turn signal does normal speed as well. So there you go. Maybe the bulb is on its way out. I will have to monitor this in the coming days and weeks. But it is most likely just a little bit of corrosion or bad connection at the turn signal socket. So before you replace any parts, if your bulbs are working, take them out of the socket, clean those connections, and reseat the bulbs. Hopefully that will fix your problem. Thanks very much for watching.